This is the Zeus 2 Pro in the always-on ambient analog watch face mode. Simply tap a button, come back into the full-on regular watch face mode where you can twist and change to a whole variety of interesting faces, as well as download faces as needed from a tethering app. You got access to all kinds of things. Do not disturb. Your overall basic settings are in here. Languages, themes, the always on display. I can switch it to a digital one if you want. Take a look at that at the end. You got your QR code and brightness levels and other kinds of controls. You also have access to your step count information for the day, heart rate information. Land here, and with the red diode, you're measuring blood oxygen. You got stress measurements in this one based on heart rate variability. Last night's sleep time will show up there, and an integrated music player that'll stream music from your watch through the phone, playing through the speaker. Yep, this is a Bluetooth calling watch, and there is the digital version of the always-on ambient screen. Nice. Microphone over here. Yep, you can carry on your full conversations if you want to. A very, very extensive weather forecast shows up right on the watch. Lots of information. The app again, ladies, if you got it set up, it'll tell you where you are in your cycle. Contacts, call history, dial pad. You can place your phone calls if you want to. In call history, you can redial people who've called you, and you're back to your watch face as well. You got tons and tons of other things in here that you can do, including, believe it or not, access to the stock market and stocks that you have set up in here that you can look at in percentage or in point change, and a tap on the update button will instantly update it. That is new. Of course, you got a calendar, an AI voice, that's the Google or Siri, and even a game or two in here as well. It's very nice. It's got its really nice strap. I like this because you can adjust it exactly as you need to fit and wear it all night long if you want to. Lots of different watch faces. As I said, it is the Zeus 2 Pro. Check it out.